Have you ever looked up at the stars and wondered if we're alone in the universe? Well, what if I told you that we might be carrying a bit of the cosmos within us? Today, we're going to embark on a wild adventure through time and space, exploring the mind-bending idea that humans might be part alien. Buckle up, because this journey is about to get out of this world. Let's start our adventure by diving into the Old Testament, but with a twist. Imagine if the gods mentioned weren't actually divine beings, but reptilian aliens in disguise. In Genesis, we read about the sons of God, who found human women beautiful and married them. But what if these sons of God were actually extraterrestrial visitors? These cosmic encounters didn't just end with marriage. The Bible talks about the Nephilim, described as giants and heroes of old. Could these legendary figures be the offspring of humans and our alien visitors? It's like a cosmic family reunion where Earth and the stars come together. Now, let's fast forward to some of the most jaw-dropping parts of the Old Testament, the incredibly long lifespans of early humans. Adam lived for 930 years, and Methuselah? He made it to the ripe old age of 969. But how is this possible? Well, what if these extended lifespans were a result of our alien ancestry? In the field of genetics, there's a phenomenon called heterosis, or hybrid vigor, where the offspring of two different species can sometimes exhibit traits superior to both parents. Could our hypothetical alien-human hybrid nature have resulted in enhanced longevity? As time progressed and our alien genes became more diluted through generations, perhaps that's why our lifespans shortened. It's as if we're all carrying a bit of cosmic genetic potential in our DNA. Let's rewind to the Garden of Eden for a moment. Remember when Adam and Eve suddenly realized they were naked and felt ashamed? What if this wasn't just about eating a forbidden fruit, but a moment of realizing they looked different, perhaps due to some alien features they inherited? It's like waking up one day and noticing you have a tail. And then there's the curious case of Noah and his son Ham. The Bible tells us Ham was shocked when he saw his father naked. But what if Noah's body had some unusual, maybe even reptilian features that scared Ham? It's as if your dad suddenly revealed he had scales under his clothes. As we conclude our cosmic adventure, we're left with more questions than answers about the possibility that we might be part alien. While this idea might seem out of this world, it invites us to look at our history and origins in a whole new light. Whether we're cosmic hybrids or not, one thing's for sure. The universe is full of mysteries waiting to be explored. So keep looking up at the stars and who knows, maybe one day we'll meet our cosmic cousins.